How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1972 GTO LeMans. Super nice car. Show quality, laser blue paint. Super slick paint on the car. Nice and straight down the sides. Got the hood tack. It is a ram air, functional ram air hood. It's got your black bucket seat console interior in it. Just a super nice car. It's got the factory wing on the back. Tell you, I really like the Judge wing on these cars. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. This car had a frame-up restoration done a few years back. It is gorgeous. Paintwork on this car is just super slick. Very nice car, guys. It's got your disc brakes up front. It's got a 400 Pontiac. It's got Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake. It's got Demon carb. You can see it's got the functional ram air setup. I like the way these cars look from the front. They're just tough looking cars. It's got your power steering, your power disc. This car came out of California. It's just a rock solid, all original panel car. It was built in California, spent most of his life out west. It's the original dash, looks real good. Headliner looks nice. Got your front and rear seat belts. Got the bucket seats, center console. It's got the dual sport mirrors, driver's side remote. It's got 16-inch torque thrust wheels. It's just a super clean car. See, the trunk floor and everything in the car is just beautiful. Rock solid. Never had any patch panels put in it or anything like that. Super nice car, guys. Got some clouds coming and going today. Just had to kind of bear with us. So they did a very nice job putting the stereo in the dash. AM, FM, CD. Got a trio of gauges nicely mounted under the dash. Keep an eye on the motor, real nice. See, all the jams in this car are really clean, nice. Paintwork on this car is just gorgeous. Super slick car, guys. Get in this car, show it, drive it, enjoy it. Good sounding. Got all your MSD ignition. Again, it's aluminum headed 400. It's got Edelbrock aluminum heads, roller cam, roller rockers. Super nice car, guys. I've driven this car probably about 100 miles myself. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans in it with a lockup converter. You run this thing down the freeway 80 mile an hour. Things are about 2,000 RPM. It's a super nice car, guys. This thing's ready to cruise. Go to your shows, enjoy it. It'll last you a long time. Just a good, solid old car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.